Hey guys, welcome back to a video. This is Country Antics and I have Josh here with me today, and we're going to do trick shots with tennis balls and a canine shooter. You might have saw that in the two videos before this. We're on the lawnmower. We're just gonna either shoot up straight up in the air, hit it off things, try to catch it. He'll be in the back in a trailer trying to catch them all. So we're gonna go pick up all the tennis balls because we were messing with them last night.
Now remember, kids, this is dangerous, so don't try it at home without a helmet.
Yeah, don't try this. See you when we get all the tennis balls. Okay guys, so we just got back here to get the tennis balls, and I'm going to say a few things because our camera angles are not very good. We only have two cameras right now, and with his phone and my phone, I'm recording on my phone on a tripod. I'm gonna tilt it down. Here's the wheel. You're on the hood. I duct taped it down. His is actually right behind the seat, and it's duct taped down, and it has a wide angle view lens on it. But we got the canine shooter now, or canine cannon. It broke, but just a disclaimer, don't try this at home. I just said that, but I said it again. I said it too. And then
First.
also the cameras are gonna be really shaky. This one, as I move, it's really shaky. And also the sound quality is going to be crap because we don't have very good mics yet. Okay, so we're out in the front yard now. We got the cannon. There's a ball on it. He's in the back, and so basically I'm just gonna demonstrate what we're gonna do. We're gonna get his camera started so you can see his angle too. So I'm gonna shoot it straight up in the air when he gets his camera going, while we're just sitting here, and then he's catching it. Maybe not. We don't know.
Who knows if I'll catch it?
Is it going?
No, not yet.
Yeah.
Hey guys, this is my angle. I'll sit in the trailer trying to catch the daggone ball. Not even gonna be shooting in the air.
Okay, we're just gonna shoot one sitting still. Ready?
You suck.
Dropped it. You get it, guys. Oh, right there. Just throw 'em. We're gonna try to do it at 10 power each time. I showed you that the other day. It goes to 1 to 10. Again, sound quality is gonna be crap, and the video quality will probably be crap because it's moved so much. So here we go. One that I like to call hit the tree.
This time around, I'm not gonna wear a helmet. It got in my way and my head started to hurt, so I'm not gonna wear a helmet.
Oh, so now you're blaming all your bad catches on your helmet.
I'm not blaming my catches on
Technically, you didn't catch any of those because they bounced.
I caught the one.
No, it bounced. Both of them bounced.
Oh.
shots video. We're just shooting the